Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the removal now. Open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're signed into the profile you intend to delete. This ensures you remove the correct account. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Profiles, and turn off Sync to stop data propagation. Make sure to export bookmarks or saved passwords if you need them later. This protects your data. After backing up, you're ready for the next steps where you'll remove the profile and associated data from the browser. Now remove the profile inside Edge. Go to Settings, Profiles, then Manage Profile Settings and select Remove Profile. Choose to delete profile and data when prompted, and confirm. This clears local browsing data. Once Edge removes the profile, make sure you signed out from any Microsoft account links elsewhere, like Windows settings. If you want a thorough cleanup, close Edge and inspect app data under your user folder for leftover Microsoft Edge folders to delete manually. This step clears cached files that the in-browser removal might leave behind. Finish by restarting your computer and opening Edge to verify the profile is gone. If you still see it, sign out of other linked services and check Windows accounts. If you removed a Microsoft account entirely, consider revoking app permissions via your Microsoft account management online to prevent resyncing. If the profile persists, reset Edge settings or reinstall the browser. Resetting preserves installation but clears settings, while reinstalling and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.